Very good afternoon, students. Today I teach you the chapter that is said to be, I am teaching you the CS Foundation chapter. Okay, we are giving the class of CS Foundation. So today I am teaching you the first chapter of CS Foundation of Business Management, first chapter of CS Foundation. I am Amit Tripathi teaching you the chapter of the Company Secretary Foundation program. So I am teaching you the chapter of business management. So first I teach you a chapter of business management. Business management. The first question arises that what is management? First question arises, students, that what is management? Now, what is management? This is the first question arises. Okay. Now, what is management? Management is an art of getting things done by the another. Okay. Management is what? When you are persuading anyone, when you are directing anyone, when you are motivating anyone to do any act. That is the concept of management. So, if it is asked about the management, we can say management is an art of getting things done by the another. Management is an art of getting things done by the another. You are persuading anyone, you are motivating anyone to do any act. That is the concept of management. So this is very important, students, for the company secretary course. You have to know that what is management. So management is an art of getting things done by the other. Means that you are persuading anyone, you are motivating anyone, you are inspiring anyone, you are striving anyone to do any act. That is the concept of management. Now we know there are different functions of management. Different functions of management. The first function we have planning function, we have organizing function, we have staffing function, directing function, and the last is we have controlling function. So in the management, students, in the management when we talk about, there are 5 functions which are there in the management. In the management there are 5 functions of management. We have first planning. Okay, first function of management is planning. Second functions of management is organizing. Third functions of management is staffing. Fourth functions of management is directing. And fifth functions of management is controlling. The first function when we talk about planning. Planning is what? Planning is what, student? That we have to make plan for any organization. Suppose ABC is Limited is an organization or it is a company. So they have to make a plan that in the preceding year 2020 and 21, if they have an average turnover of 1 crore, that means in the coming year 2021 and 22 they wanted to increase the turnover to 2 crore. That means this is the plan. This is the predetermined plan which they have set. So the first function is that is planning. Planning is what? That means we are deciding in advance the things to be done in future. That is the concept of planning. So planning is what? We are deciding in advance. We are deciding in advance the things to be done in future. That is the concept of planning. Second function we have organizing. Organizing is what? Organizing means that we are departmentalized or we are dividing the particular organization in different sectors. That is the concept of organizing. So when we talk about the organizing, students, that means we are dividing the organization or we are dividing the different we are dividing the organizations or we are dividing the company into different type of the organization. That means we are departmentalized. we are departmentalize the organizations on the basis of functional divisions and we have functional divisions on the basis of functional divisions, and we have functional divisions and we have organization divisions. That means we are departmentalize the organization on the basis of these type of divisions. Okay, we are dividing the organization on the basis of such type of divisions. That is said to be as your we are organizing. That means we are dividing the organization into functional divisions and in the organization divisions. Third is we have the concept of staffing. Now staffing means we are recruiting the right person at the right job. In the staffing process, we are recruiting, we are employing, we are giving the right person at the right job. Okay, we are appointing the right person at the right job. That is the concept of staffing. Now in the directing function, what happens, student? In the directing functions, we are directing, we are motivating the employees to do any act. That is the concept of directing. We are properly monitoring, we are properly scrutinizing, we are properly supervising the different the people to do any act. That is the concept of directing. And the last is we are the controlling. That means we are keeping the watch, we are keeping the eye on the different functions. That is the concept of controlling. That means the controlling means whatever the we are comparing the actual performance with the standard performance. Whatever the actual performance we have set up, we are comparing with the standard performance, and on that particular basis we are giving focus the particular things in the organization. So this is how we have discussed in the business management student for the company secretary exam. This is very important. At first you have to know that what is management. Management is an art of getting things done by another. That means you are persuading anyone, you are motivating anyone to do any act. That is the concept of management. Okay, this is the concept of management we are knowing. Okay, second is functions of management, different functions or different parts of management which are there. The first is we have planning. Planning is means that we have to do the right, deciding in advance the things to be done in future. That is the concepts of planning. So the first part is planning. Second is we are organizing. Organizing, that means we are dividing the organization. We are dividing the organization into departments. Okay, or we are dividing upon the functional structures and the organizational structure and the division structure. Okay, we are dividing the organization into the functional structure. Functional structures means on the basis of functional, and division structures, that means we are on the basis of divisions. Third is we have staffing. Staffing means appointing right person at the right job. That means we are giving the right authority to the person who are acquiring at the right job. Staffing means, suppose if you are an MBA holder and you have done MBA with the finance, but if I apportion in the work of legal, will you able to do the legal work? No, because you have gained the expertise and the specialization in on the field of finance, MBA finance, so you are capable of doing the work of finance. So this is the objective of staffing. Clear? Then we have the directing. In the directing portion, that means we are organizing, we are motivating the employees, okay, or we are giving the right plan. We are motivating, we are guiding, we are scrutinizing, we are giving the optimized structure, optimized technique of giving the employees the right job. That is the concept of directing. And the last is we have the controlling. Controlling means we are comparing the past performance with the actual performance. That is the concept of controlling. I hope you have understood the chapter, this business management and the functions of management. Tomorrow we will start with the elaborate detailed study of the different functions of management. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you, students. Thank you.